What up? I'm just going to show you real quick how to link multiple parameters to the same automation clip so you can save a bunch of space. Sometimes you just want to do the same automation to like 6 different knobs. I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing, I just have this vocal sample. Link it to any channel in your mixer, whatever's blank, and then open up all the stuff. I'm going to open a reverb, distortion, a delay, whatever you want. It could be anything. I'm just going to do the dry wet knob of all of these. So you got to make sure you always create your automation clip starting in the position that you want it to be in for the entire song. So pretty much if I want reverb to come in on a sound, I always turn the reverb all the way down first, or else its initialized position will be at 100%. So here we go. I'm just going to create an automation clip out of the reverb dry wet knob like normal. There it is. Then to link these, I just right click and go to link to controller, internal controller, and just select that reverb. Do the same with the delay, link to controller, press accept, and now watch what happens if I make the automation like this. That's it. Like and subscribe. See you soon.